So you may have heard that there is a new Gmail around, and in LVUSD, we do have access to it. It's got a new look, as you can see. Attachments appear in line. They take up space, but what's cool about this is that you can just hover over them to see what they are. You can just click on them, and you don't need to open your email to see what they are. If it bothers you, if this takes up too much space, you can click on the settings gear and adjust the display density and choose a different view. That'll give you the comfortable or the compact view will give you your old familiar paper clips that you used to have. You can click over here in the main menu to hide the menu on the left, so you can get more space that way. And the other thing that's new here is that if you are on an email, you can hover over it and you have some options to organize your inbox right here. So you can archive this email, you can delete it completely, you can mark it as read or as unread, and you can snooze it so it will come back later. You can just get it out of your inbox for now. It gives you some suggested times. You can pick your own date and time, or you can just pick someday. What I really like about this is the panel on the right. It has integrations with calendar, so I can click this and see my calendar. I can manage things right from there. I can see Google Keep, which, if you're not familiar with it, is a terrific note-taking app. I just love it. And you can see the new tasks icon, where you can create your own very simple to-do list and add tasks. Now, let's say that I need to do something about this particular email. I can just drag it right in and drop it into my tasks, and then the email will be here so I can see it later. I can also click on the Edit Details button so that something different will come up at the top, and I can put a note to myself. I can also add a date for when I think it should happen. So it'll be in my calendar, and click to go back. When you are writing your emails, you might see suggested replies or follow-ups. You might see a reminder for an email that you snoozed and didn't get back to. There will be there will be new security features and other things coming soon, including things like revoking reading privileges, which is almost like unsending your email. So in LVUSD, the new Gmail is available now by clicking on the settings gear. You can just click to try the new Gmail, and then if you don't like it, for now, you can still click to go back to the classic email. So that's it. If you have any questions, be sure to let us know.